Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Esther. In this video, we're gonna do my hair. See how it looks. Yeah, I'm trying to really get to love my hair, so I'll be doing a few hairstyles that I find easy to do, and especially here on camera so that we can see how this journey is gonna go. Oh, this is my sunscreen. And guys, you need to apply sunscreen even if you're black. Some people believe it's not good to apply sunscreen. Like it's like you don't need to. You actually need to. So if I'm done my hair, I'm gonna moisturize this hair. It's not bad, but I'm gonna use this Cantu. Don't know if you'll see. Yes, daily moisturizer. It's shea butter, just a little bit like that. Mostly to the ends. So if you see me looking down, my mirror is actually down here. Let me apply a little bit in the middle. A little goes a long way. Also, I don't know if you have this problem. My hair is manageable here all around and at the back, but here my hair is very coarse. Don't know why, but that's what I'm dealing with. Okay, my hair feels really light, as you can see. Now you can see it's actually, actually even moving. Then we'll use this coconut oil and olive oil. It's a mixture, and apply to the same places we've applied the other one. Okay, so now it looks good. The shine is back, as you can see. So now we are gonna part in the middle like so. Is that my middle? I think so. Can't really trust my camera. I think I did a good parting. Also, if you have natural hair, try and use a wide tooth comb. Even when I had relaxed hair, my long relaxed hair, I used to use a wide tooth comb. It doesn't matter what kind of hair you have, just use a wide tooth comb. It will save your hair from a lot of breakage or unnecessary breakage or pressure that you're putting your hair under. Not unless your hair is like freshly relaxed, then you can do it. The other thing I highly recommend is these brushes. So this one is good to go up to the root part. This is for smoothing out just lightly, and this is like a final touch of it. So I bought one with two sides. This is coarse, as you can see, it's hardly bending, and this one is very soft. So having all of them is actually a good idea. I'm gonna show you what I've learned, how I'm taking care of my hair, and yeah, because I want to make some hair growth oil. I will make that with you, so stick around. You better subscribe so that you can see me making that if you want to grow your hair long, because mine has been really growing. I've seen a lot of change in my hair, So we'll get into that in my other video. And yeah, see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, it helps grow this channel. And Flash is here with me. Come and say bye. Say bye, Flash. Say bye. Bye. He's just chill today. Okay, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.